In all research projects, it is very important to state our problem very clearly, or have very clear problem statement, and state or write our research questions and research objectives very clearly. Because these three aspects and elements of all research projects help other people who assess our proposals, our research projects, who want to help us or support us financially, to know the real demand, the real value in aspect of our research and our research project, and the assessment processes and probable outcome of our research or studies. And also a clear problem statement, research questions, and research objectives help researcher or researchers to follow their the research journey step by step very clearly and properly. That's why when we state our research problem, we have to be careful to evaluate different aspects of the real problem, either which based on an important question, or based on a practical problem, or based on a gap, the scientific or any kind of gap to be filled. We have to read about, we have to think about, and we have to state our problem very carefully. Because when we think about a problem, when we think about different issues, review the literature and the proper literature, focus on our different aspects of our practical lives, we come with a problem, or a problem occur, and we want to work on that. The thing would be clear for us. But when we transfer to other people or share with other people, it's new for them. That's why we have to be very careful. We have to link our problem with different aspects of the different works in our field, through reviewing related literature and mentioning and citing some works, and also make very clear the real aspect of our problem by focusing on the practical and real aspects of our work. And also, when we state our problem clearly, we have to write or state our questions clearly, because our questions come out from our problem, and we divide our problem from different stages, steps, and segments or parts, and based on each part we write one or two questions, and our questions come out from our problems, and our questions indicate the real demand of our work based on our problem. And also, when we write our objectives, research objectives, we have to be very careful, and our objectives should cover different aspects of our problem, because our objectives also come out from our problem, as our research questions come out from our problem based on the research, based on the question style, writing style, and indicates the different aspects and steps of our work. But our research objective indicates the probable income and results of our work. And actually, we change the structure of our question to a statement that indicates our the results and probable results of our work. That should be our research objectives. Actually, our research problem, our research questions, our research objectives related to each other and one another, and we have to always focus on our real problem, because research questions and research objectives, different elements or tools that enable us to know our the practical steps of application of our research, and the practical aspects of solving of our problem, and also the practical aspects of coming with demanded or real results and income based on our problem. That's why we have to, when we write our problem, we have to focus clearly, to state very clearly and logically our problem, and relate our problem to different works, and show the real problem, the real gap, or state or indicate the real question that we want to work on. And also when we write our research question or research objectives, we have to relate to our main problem, not to work or focus to other problems, different things which are different from our main problems, because research questions and research problems indicate the real demands and the real structure and real meaning and different aspects of our research problem. And it is very, very important to write very clear and standard research problem, research questions, and research objectives to show the real aspect of our work to other people, especially the people who want to analyze our work, our proposal, and decide the continuation of our work, and be honest on our works, to focus on our questions and objective based on our problem that came out from review of literature or our daily lives or some practical lives in some professional areas and aspects. I'm Dr. Abdul Qahar Sarwari. If you think such issues are helpful, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.